Hello, welcome to Translas. In this video we're going to tell you more about the new developed 10XM ACE MIG torch. The 10XM ACE has been developed around the three pillars of precision, comfort and durability. As a successor to the 8XM MIG torch, the 10XM has been designed to be smaller, more compact, durable and easier to maintain than the current 8XM MIG torches. Thanks to its smart, compact handle, the 10XM ACE has a smaller body but a greater grip. The ergonomic curved handle with anti-slip texture fits any hand comfortable, especially during long welding sessions. Engineered for durability, tough, impact-resistant materials stand up to daily, heavy-duty use. So the 10XM ACE keeps performing in the toughest working environment. The 10XM ACE standard comes with a blind top cover. Optional available is an up-down module, which can be installed on the torch directly from factory or can be retrofitted later on. The Translas 10XM ACE is available in both gas-cooled and water-cooled version and is available in lengths of 3, 4 and 5 meter with amperage range of 150 up to 550 amp. The 10XM ACE torches are equipped with metric standard spares. Want to know more about the Translas 10XM ACE? Visit translas.com or send an email to sales@translas.com.